Hello, welcome to Stonehill, a stone's throw from Johannesburg and Pretoria. Stonehill is a luxurious home away from home, and all breeds of socialized pets are very welcome. We are a 4-star boutique pet and child-friendly self-catering venue with breathtaking views over Magaliesburg. Stonehill has 10 fully equipped, luxurious self-catering timber cottages, accommodating from 2 to 6 guests each. Each of our 10 cottages have both a bath and shower in the bedroom and are fully fitted and equipped with everything for your needs, including air-conditioned bedrooms with fans for summer, and in winter there are electric blankets and indoor fireplaces. Each cottage has a TV with DSTV channels as well as DVD and CD players. All you would need to bring would be your food and personal toiletries and pool towels, weather permitting. The cottages are separate and private and individually fenced for pets, and each has a large patio, braai area and a very private outside garden shower. There is a choice of either king size or twin beds per bedroom according to your needs. The distance between each cottage ensures social distancing. The swimming pool and lapa are central to all of the cottages, and the views are stunning. Stonehill has a lovely open 5-kilometer walking trail and a short riverine area where dogs can swim and paddle, coming back home muddy but happy. And there are 2 doggy pools in close proximity to the cottages and 1 at the main swimming pool. There is a family of 4 very tame Shetland ponies on the farm who will visit your cottage hoping for kind guests to give them tidbits. At Stonehill, your internal clock instinctively slows to the rhythm of the bush in the natural beauty of the veld, and is a wonderful cure for stressed city living.